Nation, I have something to tell you. I want you to tell me if this is right.
Yes, it's right.
I go put to them name here so. And she have a problem with it. Say her name I got too little.
Yeah.
But look what she put the cartel.
The only tattoo on my arm.
You can't have a seat good.
Yes, you can.
This chair, look on it.
Remember to subscribe. Yes, people. So thank you for tuning in. And by now, Vybz Kartel get his fiance name tattoo upon him wrist. Her name is Sidem, and of course she get his name tattoo as well on her hand. Now, me not really see nothing wrong with that. You don't know, say Kartel seem like him in love with this lady here, so him just show her some love and she show him some love too. So enough people do that, and it me don't know why people get so worked up over that. The next thing is Kartel also have a video blog called Kiss Me Baby with Sidem. Now the Kiss Me Baby blog has been blowing up on YouTube. It also has a number of subscribers since it was created just a couple weeks ago. Kartel has been updating his fans, putting all type of videos up, and it's very intriguing to the fans. I guess them just can't stop getting enough of Kartel. Them just are tuning in. On top of that, the man buy a brand new X6. So a brand new X6, people. Yes, man. And as you can see, the car look bad. So him take some picture and put it up on him Instagram, and in the car look like one spaceship. He mount a button and sitting on me seeing that the car there. But you don't know, the world boss has a show nothing. If a man for leave prison after 13 years and can buy a brand new X6, it really look good. See there? He might have go Devon House the other day, buy her some yogurt thing, and him just a living best life, you understand? So again, like me say, if a man for come out for 13 years can buy himself some Versace and iced out watch, it really look good. You understand what me I say? And at this time, for him lock up so long and come out and have these things and can provide for himself and not fair beg nobody nothing, it really look good. Enough man go to prison for 13 years or more and come out and don't have one thing for sure. Don't have nobody to look to. So it really is a good look for say him still financially well, where he can still take care of himself, his family, and I'm pretty sure him have money now where he can probably get all the best medical care. So big up to the world boss, and I hope everything work out for him. The next thing I want to talk about really, a Shawn Storm. Yes, people. So Shawn Storm was able to come home and play the piano for his visually impaired mom, which I think is a very big deal. Because can you imagine being locked up for 13 years and being able to come home and play the piano for your mother, and she can't see you but she can hear you? Yeah, man, that's a very emotional thing. But on top of that, if you come home and they're able to take care of your daughter now, which is 13 years old now. That means that when you get locked up, she was just a baby, and now she's a teenager. That's a big thing too, you know what I mean? And that's a good look for Shawn Storm. You have to keep in mind, you see, when Shawn Storm did get locked up, he did have one of the biggest songs of his career, which was My Life. To this day, I still play that song there. That song there was back in about probably 2011. So you don't know, so it was just about the time before him get locked up. Now, as an artist like Shawn Storm, I think he's very underrated, because just that song there alone, carry a certain vibe, because they have a few songs on the rhythm there that was smashing. I think it was a Gangster City rhythm that come out in 2011. So Teacher did up on it too. But Shawn Storm sang My Life, man. It was a good song. And me tell you, to this day, when me listening, me still turn it up, man. And I really hope say something can work out for him. I know say him have him own record label and him a try do him things still. But I really hope say, Vybz Kartel can hopefully do something for the artist, because him is a very loyal friend. Apart from just being an artist, the man, was there through thick and thin. Imagine do 13 years, him remind me of Bobby Smurder. You know what I mean? Real loyal to the end. And if you have friends like that, you have to treat them well. You see what me I say? So I really wish him the best, and I hope say some new music can come our way where we can really support the artist. Anytime him drop an album, trust me, I gonna make sure say me listen it and me copy it. Whatever me have to do for support Shawn Storm, because them man they very loyal, and you know I am down for the cause. So me I say, I wanna feel about that. I wanna feel say Shawn Storm is an underrated artist. Wanna agree with me? I wanna disagree. Wanna put it in the comments. If you don't like the video, wanna go ahead and just hit the like button for me, and plus want to go ahead and subscribe. So may I say, because may have some more information and more entertainment news coming. So wanna just keep subscribing and make sure say wanna just support the thing. Alright? So until the next video, I'm out and we talk. Yeah man. Big up on yourself.